To cross a wide river safely, early humans needed to build a floating platform. A calm section of the river was chosen to reduce risk from strong currents. Strong, lightweight logs were gathered to form the base of the raft. Dry wood that floats easily was selected for better buoyancy. Dry wood that floats easily was selected for better buoyancy. The logs were arranged tightly side by side to form a flat surface. Natural vines and fibers were collected to bind the raft together. Fibers were twisted into strong rope for tying the structure. The logs were tightly bound together using strong knots. Extra bindings were added to increase strength and stability. Cross supports helped hold the raft together under weight. The structure was tested on land before entering the water. The raft was carefully pushed into the water. Its ability to float evenly was checked before use. Adjustments were made to improve balance and strength. A simple paddle was made to control movement in the water. Essential supplies were loaded carefully to maintain balance. The raft was boarded carefully to avoid tipping. Controlled paddling allowed safe movement across the river. Balance was maintained by keeping weight evenly distributed. The raft guided the traveler safely to the other side. Supplies were unloaded before leaving the raft. The raft was secured to prevent it from drifting away. The structure was inspected for future use. This simple raft design allowed early humans to cross rivers safely and efficiently.